Garlic is a versatile and flavorful ingredient used in various dishes. Not only does it add a delicious taste to your meals, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Hey, welcome back to my channel Healthy LifeFit. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share. Stay with us by subscribing to the channel to get new videos like this. Eye health *. Research from Iran shows that garlic can reduce intraocular pressure, which is beneficial for eye health. Weight management. French researchers discovered that sulfur components in garlic prevent the inflammation needed for fat cell expansion. Detoxification *. Garlic water aids in detoxifying the body, supporting the elimination of toxins. Blood glucose regulation *. A study from Kuwait University found that raw garlic can lower blood glucose levels effectively. Lipid profile improvement *. Drinking garlic water helps stabilize blood pressure, benefiting overall cardiovascular health. Enhanced exercise capacity *. Regular consumption of garlic can improve exercise capacity in people with heart disease, as shown by a study from R&T Medical College. If you're not a fan of chewing raw garlic, you can still enjoy its benefits by incorporating it into your drinks. Here are a few ideas. 1. To make garlic water, chop a few organic garlic cloves into small pieces, add them to the water, stir well, and it's ready to drink. Or if you prefer, mix it with honey to mask the strong flavor. 2. Garlic tea. Steep crushed garlic cloves in hot water, and add a touch of honey and lemon for a soothing and immune-boosting tea. 3. Garlic smoothie. Blend a few peeled garlic cloves with your favorite fruits and vegetables to create a nutritious and flavorful smoothie. Drinking garlic-infused beverages can be a convenient and enjoyable way to incorporate this ingredient into your daily routine. Cooking with garlic cloves. Certainly, one of the most common ways to enjoy garlic is by using it in your cooking. Here are some popular dishes that feature garlic. Garlic shrimp. Sauté shrimp with minced garlic for a quick and flavorful seafood dish. Garlic roasted vegetables. Toss your favorite vegetables with olive oil and minced garlic, then roast them in the oven for a tasty side dish. Garlic bread. Spread a mixture of butter, garlic, and herbs on a baguette and toast it for a delicious and aromatic accompaniment to your meal. Adding garlic to your cooking not only enhances the flavor of your dishes but also provides a range of health benefits. Whether you choose to eat raw garlic cloves, drink garlic-infused beverages, or cook with garlic, incorporating this ingredient into your diet can have a positive impact on your health. From boosting your immune system to adding delicious flavor to your meals, garlic is truly a superfood that deserves a place in your daily routine. So, don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy garlic. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.